suspicion of a crime?
You're being detained right now.
Under what suspicion of a crime? Do you have a reasonable and articulable suspicion of a crime?
A man stands quietly on private land helping his father. He holds a knife, his own, but it's taken without warning. Questions begin, rights are claimed, but the answers bring more pressure. The officer arrives with a smile, but his hands are already reaching. What begins as a peaceful moment turns tense. As authority stretches its reach beyond reason, the man knows his rights. The badge tests his patience.
My dad, can I have my knife back?
Yes, I'm gonna give it right back to you, brother. Don't worry. Look, I'm gonna sit right here. Okay, I'll give it right back to you.
I need a reasonable and articulable reason for stopping me.
We got a call about you being out here.
Standing on the side of the road, is that illegal? Is that illegal, standing on the side of the road?
It's not, but if somebody calls it in, we're going to come out and investigate it.
Okay, but have I broken the law?
No, we say that?
Okay, so can I have my knife back?
I'll give it right back to you.
No, I need it back now because it's mine.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. We'll give it right back to you.
Yes, it does. Yes, it actually does. I know my rights. It's funny. Hilarious. Yeah, it's hilarious.
Sir, so what's going on with this Mercedes right here? Who's that? You know that?
Yeah, that's my dad.
That's your dad?
Yeah.
So we got a call about him and you and, I don't know, I guess circling you?
Yeah, they said he was circling you, so somebody probably thought you were in trouble.
No, not in trouble.
We're out here.
No, not in trouble. So everything's cool.
Everything's cool. Do you have a driver's license on you, brother?
Did I do anything wrong?
We're just, like I said,
Then I don't need to show my ID.
Well, we're investigating this, sir. I just want to make sure everything's all right.
Everything's all right.
Well, I mean, you're being a little hostile. That's
I am being hostile because you stopped me on private property and you took my knife away from me, which is a legal seizure.
Okay.
I would like to have it back.
Like I said, sir, we're investigating, and this is that's your place.
Okay.
I took your knife just for my safety, your safety. You're gonna give it right back. I'm gonna give it right back to you. Okay? That's not an issue. You have an ID?
I don't have to give that.
What's your name? What's your name? Date of birth?
I don't have to give that either.
You know,
I know my rights.
What's exactly going on?
I'm here.
No, I mean, we got a call that Mercedes was circling you.
Okay.
What's going on? Do you need help?
Nope, don't need any help.
Okay, do you live here?
That's none of your business.
Yeah, it is my business.
No, it's not.
You're going to get yourself in trouble. I mean, are you here?
Is that a threat? Are you threatening me?
No, are you threatening me?
No, I'm asking you. You said I was going to get myself in trouble.
I'm asking you, do you live here because are you breaking into houses or you're just here hanging out?
Did somebody call say I was breaking into houses?
I'm telling you, I already told you why we got the call.
Okay, then I don't need any help. I'm fine.
But do you live in the area? Do you live in the house?
That's none of your business.
It is our business.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
When somebody calls us to investigate an incident, it becomes our business.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't. And I know you're allowed to lie to me, so I don't really care. I really don't care. I'd like my knife back, and I'd like to go on about my business. Everything's fine.
Sir, like I said, you know, we wanna make sure that you're okay. We wanna make sure the whole situation is okay.
Yep, and I'm perfectly fine.
It's crazy how we're getting a call, Mercedes circling you. All of a sudden, I see a Mercedes driving right past you, and then it comes up on this property. Originally, I was gonna go down there, but you're starting walking towards Mercedes, so I want to see what's going on with that.
Yeah, there's no problem.
So, what's your name, sir?
You don't need my name.
Where does it go? Yeah, the Mercedes is down here.
You don't need my name.
Let's go talk. All right.
No trespassing.
We'll be right back.
No trespassing.
Okay.
Am I being
You
detained?
got no proof you live here.
Am I being detained? Am I being detained?
At this time, yes, you are. Okay.
Under what suspicion of a crime?
Because there's no suspicion of a crime.
Then you can't
but we're
detain me.
Investigating, okay?
But you can't detain me if there's no reasonable suspicion. Do you have reasonable and articulable
So right now,
suspicion?
we're going to go talk to the Mercedes.
No, you can't come on the
Be
property.
cool, okay?
Nope, you can't come on the property. No trespassing. That would be trespassing.
You gonna be alright with him?
Yeah.
No trespassing. I'd like my knife back.
I'll get right back to you, right, brother?
No, I need my knife back. Am I being detained?
Yes, you are.
Under what suspicion of a crime?
You're being detained right now.
Under what suspicion of a crime? Do you have a reasonable and articulable suspicion of a crime?
Look, sir.
You're on your way to getting sued.
Okay.
You are on your way to getting sued.
Okay, sir. Like I said, just like anyone, if you were to call,
You're violating my civil rights. You asked me if I was okay. I told you I'm okay.
Okay.
Now give me my knife back and let me go.
Okay, sir. If you were calling, okay, let's just say you dial 911. You dial 911. We're here to make sure that everything's okay, right? Like he said.
This is Von Army too. You're out of your jurisdiction.
Okay. Well, I'm assisting another agency. This is county action.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. You're out of your jurisdiction.
Okay,
This is Von Army.
Well, I'm a Texas peace officer. Okay, so Texas.
No, you're not. Okay, you're not highway patrol. You can't just go anywhere.
Okay. All right. I can't. Okay. Well, with that being said, sir, like I said,
I would like my property back. I have no interest in what you have to say, but I want my property back.
I'm gonna give it right back to you. Okay.
Right now.
We're investigating an incident. I don't know if you live here.
What incident?
I don't know if you live here.
What incident?
Okay.
Is having a Mercedes circle me illegal?
Well, we don't know what's going on. We don't know.
You don't have to. You don't have to have your nose in everybody's business like you think you do. You're just a cop. There's no crime being committed. I'd like my shit back, please. Now. No, you're not. No trespassing. This is my sister's property. This is my sister's property. No, this is my sister's property. No trespassing.
Okay, so it's your sister's property, not your property.
No, and no trespassing. Absolutely no trespassing. You're seizing my knife by taking it with you. I need my knife back. Now.
Can y'all make it by my Tahoe? Or are you gonna move it?
You're not pulling up here. No Trespassing. I'd say it in Spanish, but I don't know Spanish.
Is that a
All right,
racist
sir.
comment, sir?
Hey, I spoke to my supervisor, and he said to put you in handcuffs.
Is that what he
So
said?
That's what you got to do.
Okay, so an illegal detention? You're detaining me?
Yes, sir.
For what? What crime have I committed?
We're
Well,
you
right
don't
now
want
you're
you don't want
entering an
you do
investigation.
not want to identify yourself.
No, I don't.
Great.
And you can pick that up.
We will. No weapons? I got tonight.
I do not consent to searches.
Okay, outstanding.
I do not consent to searches.
With every word, the man holds his ground. Calm voice, clear stance, but force answers reason. He asks for his knife. He asks for respect. Instead, he's surrounded, questioned, and finally cuffed. A simple encounter becomes an accusation. The law was never broken, but freedom still slips away. On this day, silence stood taller than the badge, and a peaceful man walked away in chain. This is another case. A man walks the street with calm steps, holding his ground with quiet confidence. Moments later, flashing lights pull up, voices raise, and questions begin. All over a bottle, sealed or open, it becomes the center of a storm. Words like rights and freedom fill the air, but they're quickly buried under commands and control. What starts as a peaceful moment becomes a chase for power, and the man at the center refuses to be silenced.
We're issuing you a VL for an open container. You're not allowed to have
A open container or a closed container?
You put it over it?
An open container or a closed container?
In regards to
An open container or a closed container? It's an open container?
Yes, it's an open container.
It's an open container?
Yeah, absolutely.
And you guys seen me drinking? And you guys saw me drinking?
first thing with bar.
Did you guys see me drinking?
Yeah, bar.
Did you guys see me drinking? Did you guys see me drinking in an open container?
You don't have to drink it. It just needs to be.
Have you guys seen me drinking in an open container?
January 6th,
January 6th, 1987.
You can record all you want. That's
Of
fine.
course. I mean, you're recording too.
I've explained to
You're
you 4
recording
times already
too.
why I
So I just want to make sure. So I'm in, because I know my rights also.
And okay. Good.
Okay, and your name is again, sir?
Police Officer Ingenito, Shield number 112.
Okay, and your name?
Officer Key, 106. You
106?
cannot be in
Okay.
possession of an open container of alcohol, whether you're consuming it or not. You're still in possession of an open container of alcohol.
A closed container.
It's open.
How is it open if it's closed? It has a top on it.
Listen, it's an open container.
And who says that's mine again? You said that's mine?
You're in possession with it.
You guys saw me with
When I
it.
turn the corner, I watch you throw it.
Okay, so that's on your camera, right? Oh, you're lying.
I would. I'm not sure if that definitely got it, but I would assume.
You're not sure. You're not sure.
If my camera got it, I saw it.
Okay, so this is why you guys are harassing me, right? And this is why you reached in my pockets, correct?
Yeah, because you started running away.
This is why you reached in my pockets, correct?
go inside your
Do you
pockets.
think that's right?
I pat you down, yeah.
No, you reached in my
You're running away
pockets
from me.
and you asked me what's in my pockets, and that's not right. Because I don't have shit in my pockets. So for you to be
have a
reaching in my
plastic
pockets,
bag in your pocket. I go in your
it doesn't matter what I have in my pockets. Why are you reaching in my
What do you have in your
pockets?
pocket?
Why are you reaching in my pockets, sir?
Why don't you?
Is that legal?
Make a big deal.
Is it
Did I go
legal?
inside your pocket?
Is
I'll
it
pat
legal
down
for you to reach in my pocket, sir?
It's legal for me to pat you down. For
Is it? Is it?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
You're running away
And
from me.
your name is again?
Over here.
And you said it's legal for him to reach in my pockets,
Listen,
right? Because of
You
an
live
open
over-
container
live
that
over
you
here?
guys
Bar, you
claim.
live over here?
Is
What's
it
your
legal
address?
for you guys to reach in my
The bar, is
pockets?
this your address?
Is it legal for you to reach in my
The
pockets?
bar, is this your address?
I have family and friends that live here.
Okay, I'm asking you, do you live in this building? What is your address?
My address is not this building.
Okay, so what's your address?
You have my ID, don't you?
I do.
All right then.
This is a Florida ID.
All right then. So
I'm
then
asking,
take
do you
that
have
address.
a New York address.
Don't worry about that.
So the only address you have is this.
That's my address.
Okay, no problem.
These guys think people don't know their rights, man. Like they could just come violate you at any given time they want to. Like, no, it doesn't work like that, sir.
Eat the date.
And this is what they get out of this. That's why I'm so glad. Yeah, I can't wait to go back to Florida.
Run from the cops for no reason.
No, I don't run from the
That's
police.
exactly. I've dealt with you in the past. I've
And you
seen
know what?
Before, and you've never just started running for no reason.
You know why?
What's that?
I don't run from the police. I walk away from them because you guys don't know how to treat people with their rights.
What is that? 13, 9 a.m.
Yeah, that means nothing, right?
10-4.
Yeah, 10-4.
You didn't run away?
Yeah, 10-4.
The second you turned that corner?
The second I turned the corner, what did I
Run
do?
away from me.
What did I do?
You started running away from me.
Why would I run from you? What?
I don't know. Why did you run from me?
Why would I run from you?
I don't know. Why did you?
What I do is I walk away from you guys because you guys like to harass people. Just like I had the other sergeant last time. Yeah, of course we're all right. Excuse me, what's your name, sir? What's your name, sir?
Rubio, 152.
152?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Officer Rubio, 152. Okay.
Don't come over here with your hands in your pocket.
No.
All right.
Nah, I ain't coming on the block to check it up on him. Nah.
They're just disrespectful. That's just how they talk. Don't worry about it. That's my brother. That's my brother, by the way. He's just coming to make sure that his brother's okay. But I know you don't understand that either.
Well, I don't like people coming over to me with their hands in their pocket.
And I don't like police harassing me.
Right, well,
And I don't like police harassing me.
in public.
And I don't like police harassing me.
Right.
Officer 106, is it?
Yep.
Look at the type of job they do. They have no goddamn life. People are getting shot and killed left and right in this world. And look what they do. They harass you for an open container. Talking about you running from them like you got some type of warrant or something. They wish you had a warrant so they could really do some damage. That's what they're really looking for. But guess what? You found the right guy. What's your name again, sir?
Officer Keen, I told you already.
Officer King. You suck as an officer, man. You need to do better. You guys need to really, find people that are really actually committing crimes and stop running down on people for drinking a beer.
Well, don't run.
That's like, yo.
Don't run and I don't have to chase you.
What kind of police you know chases people down, harasses people for open beer? Meanwhile, they got all these killings and shootings going on in the world, and this is what they're worried about. Because they don't have no life. They don't have nothing else to do. Without us, they wouldn't even have a job. It's sad. Without us, you guys wouldn't even have a job. You'll be sitting here harassing people for an open bottle. Yeah, you might want to go to the left because you look stupid. Yeah, you might want to go to the left because you look dumb. Look at them, harassing people for an open bottle. This is what they do with their lives. You believe this? Look, how many cop cars? How many? Excuse me, what's your name, sir?
Officer Kennedy.
And your badge number?
141.
And you're another one that just harasses people for an open container and you're not worrying about real crime that's actually going on in the world?
I guess if that's how you look at it.
Yeah? Okay. You're another one, huh?
I assume so.
Yeah, I know. Look at him. Thirsty to write somebody a ticket for open container.
Surrounded by uniforms, he stands firm. They press, they reach, they write their version of the story. Dozens of officers all gathered for one man holding a drink. Meanwhile, real danger moves elsewhere, untouched. His voice stays steady, reminding them of law and limits. He wasn't hiding, he wasn't running, he was simply existing. And in that moment, his courage spoke louder than their questions.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more video to add Inspector Nurse.